project, I will be using the SVG file that I designed. After downloading the file, I opened a new canvas on Cricut Design Space and uploaded the SVG. It should appear grouped together. Go ahead and click the ungroup button on the layer side panel to separate all the elements. To make it easier for you to identify which pieces belong to each letter, I color coded the pieces for the letters. Feel free to change the colors if you prefer, but I will keep them as they are since I will be using the same material for all the mats, so it really won't matter to me. Zoom in on a letter. When you click the drop down menu, you will see two layers. The first layer is the basic shape, and the second layer contains the lines, which we will change the operation to score. I went through all the elements to change the first layer's operation to score. All the elements will have this operation changed except for the base. To save time, I highlighted the element we just worked on and duplicated them so I wouldn't have to redo that step. Lastly, highlight each of the grouped elements and click attach on the bottom right. This will keep your layers in the same relative position on the cutting mat as they are on your canvas. And don't forget to save your project. I'm leaving the size as is, but if you would like to make the letter boxes larger, simply highlight all the elements and adjust the size. Just make sure that the dimensions are compatible with the cutting machine you are using. Once you're ready to cut, click the green Make button. You will notice that all the grouped elements should be organized exactly as we attach them. Once you've cut out all of your elements, follow along as I demonstrate how to assemble the letters D and A.